For new users, you must register first by clicking the Register Here button. Fill out the boxes with your information. Username and password will be sent through email you used to register. After logging in, you will be directed to the IIS system wherein you will find the IIS dashboard. Here you can view and access your documents, monthly transaction graphs and calendar. Click Add Transaction. And click Yes. Here, you can view your transaction number, system, subsystem, subject name, transaction status, company, action, remarks and the uploading of documents to be routed. First, select the system. Select the subsystem. Type your subject. Select transaction status. Select the originating office of the document. Select where you want to assign the document you are routing. Click Add Files to add document and click Upload All after selecting your document. Keep track of your IIS number for tracking of documents. To view your outgoing documents, go to Documents and click Outbox. You may also print the acknowledging letter. Click the Travel Order button. Click the Apply Travel Order button. Click Yes to proceed. Select either regional or national. Select the mode of transportation, either air, land or water transport. Input departure date and arrival date. Select destination. Select Not in the list if your destination is not in the choices. If you have 2 or more destination, you can add more by selecting Add More Row and input the numbers of rows needed. Input the purpose of your travel. Input the amount of per diems if applicable. NA if not. Select the name of assistant or laborer allowed to join you or not in the list if assistant or laborer is not on the list. Input the date of report submission. Click Add Files to attach file. Attachment is mandatory. Select the file that you will attach. Click Upload All button or click the Upload logo to upload your file. Click Process button to proceed. Once you process a travel order and it has no error, system will prompt success message. You can monitor the status of your travel order by looking at the status column.